Welcome back to a new video. In this video, we'll learn how to back up your WordPress website. Let's get started. First, open your WordPress dashboard and click on Plugins. Then, click on Add New Plugin. Now you'll see a search bar on the right side. Search for Updraft. Once the search results show up, click Install Now on the first plugin, and then click Activate. Now, your plugin is installed. Click on Settings, and then click on Backup Now. At this point, you'll see a notification indicating that the website backup hasn't been created yet. Now, click on Settings, and then click on Google Drive. Scroll down and click on Sign in with Google. After that, log in with your Google account. Click Continue. Scroll down and click Continue again. Now, you're logged in with your Google account. Next, click on Complete Setup. Then, scroll down and click Backup Now. Once the backup starts, you'll see that the option is now enabled. When the backup finishes, you'll get a notification. Close it, and then scroll down and click on Restore. If the restore didn't happen automatically, follow the same process. Go back to Plugins. Then click Add New Plugin. Search for Updraft again. Install the first plugin and click Activate. Go to Settings. Go to Settings again. Scroll down and click on Google Drive. Sign in with Google again. Log in with your Google account. Click Continue. And then click Continue once more. Now you're logged into your account. Click on Complete Setup. And then scroll down and click on Rescan Remote Storage. Click OK. Now, you'll see the backup data. First, database second, plugins third, themes fourth, uploads fifth, must use plugins last other. Click on Restore Now. Enable all options. Then click Next. The files will start downloading. Wait for a few seconds and then click Next. Click Delete Old Folder. Now click Return to UpdraftPlus configuration. Scroll down and click Restore. Follow the same process. Enable all options, click Next, and then click Restore. Wait for a few seconds, and you'll see the restoration progress. It's working! The WordPress backup has been successfully restored. Everything is now back in place and working perfectly. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.